Hello and welcome to another edition of Stockwatch, the final Stockwatch video of the trading week. And we've seen that Ford Motors shares have jumped over 5% in yesterday's trading. And it was actually General Motors that were at the forefront of talking about their electric vehicle progress. But a lot of investors and analysts eyed Ford's recent investment of over $11 billion into the electric vehicle market as being very significant and poignant. And this has led to the stock actually jumping quite significantly yesterday. So as previously reported on the Stockwatch video, the 11 billion investment was to build an electric vehicle factory, a couple more factories and a mega campus basically in America. And also Ford released its September sales report recently and said that the electric vehicle offerings are gaining new customers at a higher rate than what the company first thought of in its portfolio. So very, very significant moves there for Ford and General Motors in general. No pun intended, of course. And also another story that I just want to is developing yesterday at the Tesla's general meeting was that they're going to move their headquarters from California to Texas. The CEO did describe that it will be a lot more easier to conduct business in Texas because they're right next to an airport. He did give a few reasons why this big change is going to happen. One was that the California factory in Fremont was very, very busy, and also it's a difficult place for for employees to find affordable housing as well. So in the long term, Texas is where it's looking to stay. We'll see if that has any bearing on the share price as well. So looking at Ford, first of all, today, this is the 5% jump yesterday that we saw, very, very significant. And also it's above the Ichimoku cloud as well. So now I'm expecting possibly a move, a sideways move, or just a slight upward move, possibly towards the 15 area, and then we'll see if we can really start challenging these recent highs that we saw not so long ago in the middle of the summer. There's not really any slowdown on the RSI or any oscillators at the moment, so I'll just be looking to see what the main headlines are. But certainly Ford are taking the bull by the horns with the electric vehicle manufacturing at least. So, and obviously this is catering for not only Joe Biden's greener future, but obviously the next president after him will also be pushing for a greener future as well, as it's the way the world is going at the moment. And the 4-hour chart, we're just seeing now again another push to the upside above the Ichimoku cloud. We did have this obvious trend line to the downside not so long ago, but we are now looking at prices are picking up quite significantly, and this is going to be a very, very good move for bulls especially, but we'll keep an eye for bears as well, because obviously there's always selling positions that can be profitable as well. So we'll just see what the next few trading weeks bring us as we get into, close out this year of 2021, and as we've entered Q4, we'll see what else comes into fruition. Obviously we've got earnings seasons coming up shortly as well. And Tesla, on the other hand, just want to kind of point out, I'm still looking at this as we're still in this ascending channel since the middle of the summer as well. This is going back to June, and now we're seeing prices kind of moving a step higher as we've been trading at the mean for quite some time, obviously above the Ichimoku cloud as well. So the bias is generally on the upside at the moment. You could say there's a slight bearish divergence here, but not really something we can sink our teeth into and get excited about at the moment. Just going to see what the impact is. Obviously with Tesla's CEO, every time that he can say something in the press or speak about something, then Tesla's share price does kind of get volatile. So we'll see what happens in the next few trading sessions as well. Again, on the 4-hour chart, we're just looking to see, we've had some tests again and again at the bottom border of this channel, but nothing really significant since since the middle of August now. So this has been almost 2 months, and we're looking very bid at the moment, and we'll see what is in store for the next few trading sessions, at least as we approach this month's NFP as well, to see what the jobs report is going on with that, and obviously if it's going to affect any stocks or any indices, most importantly, as well as we are kicking in for more fresh highs on all three of the main indices in America. So we'll see if that has any significant impact later in the session. So that's all from the Stock Watch today. Thank you very much for joining me. As usual, any comments or queries, please feel free to add them to the post, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.